My name is Mattias Axling. I work as Technical Director here at CNET in Stockholm. We're a software company specializing in research and innovation for Internet of Things, cloud services and mobile apps. At CNET, we are experienced with collaborative international research and development projects and how to create innovative and exploitable outcomes and long-term value from research and innovation projects. The knowledge and expertise gained from our research is exploited via consulting activities for Swedish industry or commercialized by spin-off companies. We currently have innovation projects in the areas of digital health, infrastructure monitoring, smart agriculture and manufacturing. At CNET, we work closely with partners and customers. This gives us a good understanding of perceived needs and problems that we can channel into our technical research projects. The research projects have resulted in several spin-off companies, 2 of them founded within the last 12 months. In the project, CNET is coordinating the deployment and integration and the operational and technical maintenance of the platform. CNET is also leading the task of incorporating blockchain technology in the platform to support distributed trust, transparency and secure transfer of data in the supply chain. The project provides a way to integrate and further develop our results from the successful composition project in a broader context and fits well into our business plans for smart manufacturing. Joining the EFPF as a founding member will expand our presence in the European industrial IoT market. CNET helps Swedish companies and organizations to understand how new technology can be used to create new business opportunities and how it can be used to streamline existing processes. We would like to work with an open call experimenter to apply our tools especially within supply chains, in the Swedish grain industry and sustainable renewable energy solutions.